Welcome to this tutorial on Prim's algorithm. Today, we are going to learn how to find the minimum spanning tree of a graph efficiently. This is a classic greedy algorithm used in computer science and network design. First, let us define a spanning tree. If you have a connected graph, a spanning tree is a subgraph that connects all the vertices together without any cycles. It uses the minimum number of edges necessary, which is exactly the number of vertices minus 1. Now, what makes a spanning tree minimum? In a weighted graph where every edge has a cost or weight, we want to find the spanning tree where the sum of all edge weights is as small as possible. That is our goal. This is where Prim's algorithm comes in. It uses a greedy approach. We start from an arbitrary node and grow the tree one edge at a time. At each step, we simply pick the cheapest connection from our growing tree to the outside world. Conceptually, Prim's algorithm maintains two sets of vertices. The visited set contains nodes already included in our minimum spanning tree. The not visited set contains everything else. Our job is to bridge these two sets using the smallest edge available. Let's look at an example. We have 4 nodes. A, B, C, and D. We will start our algorithm at node A currently. Only A is in our visited set. From node A, we check all connected edges. We have an edge to B with weight 4 and an edge to C with weight 2. Since 2 is smaller than 4, we choose the edge connecting A and C. Now both A and C are visited. We look for the smallest edge connecting either A or C to an unvisited node. The available edges are to be weight 4, C to B weight 1, and C to D weight 6. The edge from C to B is the smallest with weight 1, so we select it. Here is the pseudocode. We use a priority queue to efficiently find the minimum weight edge. We initialize all keys to infinity and the start node to 0. While the queue is not empty, we extract the minimum, add it to our set, and update the keys of its neighbors if we find a cheaper path. The efficiency depends on the data structure used. Using a simple adjacency matrix gives us O of V squared. However, using a binary heap with an adjacency list improves this to O of E log V, making it suitable for large, sparse graphs. Prim's algorithm is widely used in the real world. It helps in designing efficient networks like laying telecommunication cables, building road networks to connect cities at minimal cost, and even in data science for clustering analysis. To summarize, Prim's is a powerful greedy algorithm that guarantees an optimal solution. It builds the tree vertex by vertex, always choosing the local minimum to reach the global minimum. Thank you for watching.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.